So we are playing Bice Prison Run, and here's Sohum, and Anika is also joining soon.
Hi
Yeah,
guys.
she came. Let's start.
Wait, I have something on my
Bro,
screen.
so move.
I have something on my screen.
I'm going.
Bro, what's on my screen?
Bro, just respawn now.
I'm not
Yeah.
bad at pass, but you guys keep on blocking. me.
Yeah, guys.
No, I'm the most cooker. I'm way too ahead of you all.
Cooker. Oh my god.
I died.
Yeah, I just saw you die. Oh hell, I died.
Both of you die and me at the back.
Nah, wait. My jump button is trash.
Skill issue.
Wee,
Oh, finally. Guys, we are cooked in the headlights. We can't do this on the first try.
Guys, I'm doing it first try.
Same. Oh shit, I died.
I saw you
At the
die.
last part,
Bro,
bro.
did it.
I'm
Okay.
ahead of Rishik and he tells that I'm bad.
Yeah, you are.
Anika, you are.
I opened it, and I'm ahead
Oh
of
shit,
you, Anika.
no. I don't know. I died on the last
No,
round.
not
shit.
these guys, chat.
Wait, where are you guys? Bro,
Ah.
wait for me.
No.
Well,
Bro, wait for me.
nah, this guy.
Eek. Oh. Oh. Shit. I pressed the button.
What a button. Does it apply for us all?
I don't. If it's red, then yeah.
It's not red.
For me, it applied. So me
Yeah, for me, I
going.
said, oh shit. Yeah, you caught me.
Yes, I know the
Noobs.
button.
I ran away, Sigma.
Wait.
Now he can't do it. Ah!
Oh shit. Wait, where should it
No,
be?
my view.
Should will the button be red on the top of the button?
The top of the button should be red.
Bro, I'm not able to press it there.
Same.
I'm-
Mobile is so difficult.
I'm ahead of all of you, da.
No.
Shut up, Rishik.
Wee. Wee.
Bro!
So I'm really waiting, chat.
Yeah, you are. Guys, you like my skin? Rate it out of 1 out of 10. If it looks
I
very good.
understand why I'm not able to do it.
My skin
Why?
looks very goated.
It's Chaddi man.
And I have Roblox Chaddi.
Okay,
Anika,
opened
wait for Soham.
I opened it.
Bye, chat.
Okay, bye. We are also going. So-
Failures. I'm coming. Wait for me.
Nah.
Bro, I'm almost there. Yeah, I'm here.
Bro.
So come in the bathroom.
Wait, bro.
Oh, we are in the lava area. You're way too back, bro. Sorry to
Nah, I
say.
died.
Wait for me.
I'm
Rishik,
cooking.
You better wait for me, bro.
Okay, I'll wait here.
Where?
I'm done with the first part of the volcano.
I'm in the
Anika, you also wait.
What? Oh.
Anika, the scary poke is waiting. I'm not waiting.
How
But
am I
she-
scary about
How do I collect this?
Good.
Bro, come quick.
How do I collect this, bro?
Tap on it.
I'm
Wait, that. Wait, go here.
Huh?
Go here, da.
Oh, there.
Yeah. Whee. Now, diggy.
Bro, can you come?
I'm coming.
So much a noob
I
chat.
have to restart, okay?
I can only see Rishik as a Chaddi man. And I
Chaddi
saw
man?
you
Oh, shit.
falling.
Bruh, that's kill issue, da. I look so beautiful, da.
Hey, see the skull. See where I'm standing.
Yeah, I cannot see.
Bro, so hard. Okay, I'm going now.
Wait for this noobie. Noobie patati.
Oh, shit.
Enough is enough. Rishik, stop pushing me.
When did I push you, bro?
Bro, I'm pressing the jump button.
Yeah, bro, mobile is so annoying.
Yeah, I made it. Bro, wait for me.
Run. Yeah.
You're already on the map. Oh, shit. I was scared.
Yeah, see?
I'm done with
and
the
you tell
magma.
me I'm bad.
Well, I'm
Yes,
the
you
best.
are.
Everybody knows
Bro,
that.
I'm literally in the front. Like,
Oh shit!
of you.
Oh shit!
Bro, how you already there?
Oh no, speed.
What do we have to do in this?
Chad, how is he there?
I forgot what do we have to do in this.
No speed.
Shit, what do we have to do?
Wait for me, bro. He caught you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here now. You opened it?
I found one wheel.
Okay, I'm done with the wheel
See,
thingy.
where are the wheels?
There's only one wheel, stupid.
Oh.
You opened it for only for you, no?
Yeah. I'm done with the
He got
stairs
me.
parkour. Oh, number wait for you, noobs.
No, I opened it, but I died.
Oh, now just go forward.
Shika, I'm right behind you, chat.
Anika, I'm up on the stairs.
Yeah, I'm in the stairs only, but I have to climb it.
Yeah. Anika also is better in so
Bro,
imagine.
I had to respawn.
Skilly shoe.
That's just not my problem.
Skilly shoe.
I clicked on the free thingy other side of the screen.
Same.
Oh, that hat thing.
Yeah.
I did that last time. Okay, start.
Oh, we have to press.
Hey, what?
Anika, why so heavy? Stop with the entire.
Anika, you're so heavy.
Yeah, actually, the entire thing is going towards your side.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, what a glitch.
same. Oh, I hate this part, bro.
Yeah, it's very hard.
Gal. Oh, yeah.
Huh? How do you?
Oh shit.
Oh.
I died on second jump.
God.
Wee. Wee.
No.
Oh no.
Let's go. I'm cooking. I'm
Bro, I'm
cooking.
way too fast.
I'm cooking you.
Chat, don't mind if Rishik is failing.
This is me in real life. Super fast.
Cooking you.
Yeah, bro, you could
Oh,
be fast.
I am cooking you.
Nah, bro.
First try. Oh no.
first try.
No. I died at the last point. Last point.
Bro, I pressed the goddamn jump button.
Die, Anika. Die.
No.
Die.
Bro, I'm pressing the jump button. What is wrong with this?
Stop rage baiting me. Nah.
Sad.
You saw me fall?
Now, yeah.
I'm not pressing the jump button.
I'll do it first try now.
Okay,
yeah,
bro.
about that.
Almost. No, I can fell. No. At the end part, bro.
This guy's failing on the M part like crazy.
The end part is a little hard, I think.
No, the last jump. The last freaking jump.
Should we get you, man?
No.
Oh my god.
Oh,
I'm pressing the jump button.
you all died, chat.
I'm pressing the jump button.
Guys,
Anika, why are you so slow?
Exactly.
how much low? Nah.
Kill issue.
I fell.
Is that all okay?
Oh, I'm done, chat. I think.
No.
Done.
Guys,
Let's
you will have
go.
to wait a long time for us. No.
She better wait.
Yeah, I'll just go up.
Rishi, I think Adhika should have recorded, bro.
Yeah.
So that fans would have actually been, you know, like
With
entertained.
the moment.
With the failures.
Why do I keep failing?
Next is the cafeteria part, I think.
No, the ladder.
Nah.
The ladder part is it's easy. It's easy, yeah. I keep
So
slipping
you
off
shut
the
up,
edge.
da.
I keep bro. I keep slipping off.
Anika, the
edge,
chuddy man is doing the best.
Bro, I keep slipping off the edge.
You have the fans on, okay.
Bro.
I'm way
Don't
too
stop
ahead, bro.
raging.
I'm very ahead.
No,
Okay,
wait,
shut
I came. Yes!
Adhika
Yes.
made it.
Yes!
Noob.
Okay.
Noob.
It's been a long time since I played.
Same.
We all have played like
It's
one.
right, bro. You've been playing Roblox for the past 15 years.
Shit, where are you?
I'm done the ladder part. You also do that.
Here.
Yeah. Do the ladder thing.
Bro, I'm glitching.
I forgot how to do this part.
Yeah.
You.
Then that'd be a that'd be thing above. So please do it. Don't fall.
So imagine even I did it.
Finally.
Yes. Yes. This may be just what I need. Hey, wait for me.
bro. Do this.
This is a ladder part, no?
Yeah.
Are we able to do this?
It's easy, bro.
Where's the ladder?
You should
Oh,
go
yeah, I
back.
found it, I found it.
No.
Chicago.
Go back.
Where's the ladder?
Is that open? Go to storage room. There's lever. Should open it. Easy work.
I'm failing.
Jump,
bro.
jump.
I can't.
Imagine someone overtakes you.
Yeah, that'd be sad. Nah, Rishik, you do it for me.
Hey, Anika!
Nah.
Anika!
Wompity womp womp.
Wait, you put it wrong.
Yes.
Then I-
Anika, you moved mine.
I swear if you
So you're moving mine.
That's Kilishu.
Yeah, calm down.
Kilishu?
Who has kill issue now? Chomu.
Chomu.
Jump. Good boy.
Who is this?
No!
Hello, Anika. I love you.
What the hell?
Run. Oh, hell no.
Nah. You saw my skill shoe?
Yeah.
Yep, I got on the ladder. Anika, yes, slow.
You're supposed to be slow in this market.
I'm super slow da.
Everyone
I'm done finally.
First try.
Like, how is this hard?
It's not hard. When did you say it's hard?
Yeah. It's light work.
It's supposed to be hard.
Nah.
This is the easiest part for me.
Which part? Which part?
Pipe.
Just go in the corners.
The pipe is
Bro, Anika pushed me off.
How?
Yes!
Stop blaming her, Chomu.
Yeah.
Bro!
Stop blaming me, Chomu.
I'm slipping off.
See, what are we supposed to do here? Ah!
Do the pipes.
Yeah.
Bro!
I don't know the
The
way.
jump
after
button
that.
in the wrong place.
Yeah, bro. I wish we could actually change it. Hey! Chomu!
That's what you get, Anika. I
Where do
sacrificed.
we go here after
I
this?
don't want to start this.
Nah, I keep missing that jump.
Chat, I think I'm done with
You have to
this.
go left, so which I can't make.
I made it.
Yes, even I made it. I think we have to go up. Yeah.
I think I'm done with all.
Bro, the jump button.
Oh damn! I closed all the valves.
Stop
So,
blaming
oh
the
shit.
jump button, chat.
I am going to play the jump button, okay?
Chat, I think I closed all the valves successfully.
You're already there?
Already.
Oh yeah, I
Bro,
don't
I died.
Shit, chill out, man. Chill out.
Hey, can I record next time?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Because it looks like I'm trash.
Yeah, you're back, so the viewers won't be able to see naughty.
Yeah.
They just see and
Can they see me?
no.
Shit, don't go that ahead or you're only showing yourself.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's basically you, bro.
I'll go first person mode. I can't.
Exactly. I tried.
Bro, this random girl
No.
is overtaking me because of you guys.
Who?
I don't care, Rishik.
It doesn't look like me, chat. I think does not this
Where is the other
Bro,
thing?
Chan doesn't know what you look like.
they know.
Show us.
One is that. Oh
Few I finally got off.
Did you close all the valves?
I'm almost.
But I just got to the valves.
One done.
That don't close all of them.
Nah, I'm done all the three.
Then come up.
How many valves are
No,
there?
no, that.
No! It's a shortcut, no.
No, go right.
It's a shortcut.
No,
Bro,
you should
I
go.
fell down and I had to do the pipe thing again.
Now go.
Guys, I think you should record me.
Yeah.
Shut up.
What?
I
Rishik,
fell
now you have
down.
to stay with us, Da.
Okay, da.
Hey, wait for me.
Hi.
Hi, have a great time.
She can actually wait for us.
Wait for me.
I was waiting for you for such a long time. There's so much very back.
Yeah, I had to restart
Bro, how many times did we restart?
twice.
You have to wait because of which our content is
I closed
getting
that
boring.
one. I have to close this one. No! Bro! I think I got the checkpoint. Okay, I got-
So you have the
I
biggest
had,
kill
I
issue
had the
ever.
checkpoint that you set at the time.
So I'll be behind you just for helping you. Bro, fool!
I have a
Guys, I'm
checkpoint.
stuck. Rishik, see. Please go.
Me, I forgot I had a checkpoint.
No. Bye.
Oh shit!
Which else is left?
Oh, I died.
That one. No!
Wee.
Chat, because of Soham and Anika will take billion years.
Hey, I'm already ahead of you.
I was waiting for you, Anika.
So?
Because of Soham, it
Did I
will
close
take
all of them?
it.
So I'm calm down.
Hey, my bad. Did I close that one?
I don't know.
Will come a tick mark.
Yeah,
if you
I
did
closed
that.
it.
Or then come up.
Oh shit.
Guys, I thought
Yeah.
we were gonna speedrun this.
Nothing beats a jet ski holiday.
What the?
Only 40 pounds per person. That
Nah, I
means
keep failing.
200 for family of 4. 95.
Those mathing.
Oh,
No, it should be a math game. I would cook.
Bro, shut up.
nerd. Bookworm.
Word.
Bookie worm.
A verb for books.
If you don't know what's the obvious is reading books. Finally, this stupid boy came.
Okay, bro.
Yeah.
Nothing beats a jet ski. Oh, Soma's got to take billion years for this.
No.
Bro.
This is a jump button.
The down part is hard. I keep on
Ah, it's
glitching in
actually
that.
hard.
I keep on glitching in this down part.
Same. I died.
But I'm cooking. Oh shit.
Yeah,
No,
but
I
you
died.
cooking.
I died.
You cooking is in like 100 years.
Oh wait, I'm cooking. So
Guys, I
close.
can see some time.
I only died once, okay?
Oh,
Like-
second try, baby. Second try.
Yes.
Oh, look at my juicy gat chat.
Who the shit?
Yeah, second try.
Second try.
Oh, finally.
Anika, what is that? Like your fifth try?
Yeah, I was doing it way before these.
Finally, we all have met up.
Such good
Nothing
grammar.
beats a
I
jet
appreciate
ski
it.
all day.
How do we fly?
Jump.
Jump. Oh, I'm in the cafeteria.
Same.
Same.
Take the gun. We have to take
Should
the
wait
gun.
for us, please.
Anika, I'm waiting for you.
I'm here. And where's the gun, chat?
Is that in the kitchen? Food Zuka. No, he ate me.
Wait, wait, wait.
Is it common for us all or is it different?
I don't
Hopefully
know.
it's common.
Oh, I'm so slow.
Bro,
I hate when it hits me.
I died. I'm trash.
I spawned and killed him.
Ah,
I killed him.
this Mota Vijita Ram.
Spam.
I killed him.
Yeah, I killed him.
Let
Easy.
Yeah, we go after we
Oh, I got money.
Food Zuka. Come here.
Where?
Here.
Can you wait for us, please?
I'm waiting on
Oh, I'm finding first
Where?
person.
Let's go.
This
Whoa, what?
Where, bro? I killed him, but where?
So,
I think I'm ahead of you now.
No, where do we have to go?
yeah, there. Go there.
Oh,
Stupid.
that's not my fault.
You know, you go to first person when you have a bazooka.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so goated.
Yeah.
Slide. Oh my
Oh,
god.
now is this
Okay, why
This is
not
a laser.
upwards dropper, laser dropper. Oh shit! I died.
When did this come, bro?
For it was that
I don't know.
since ever. Oh,
I made so
Oh.
far. I'm so
I'm doing this
good.
first try.
Oh wait, what? How am I doing it? Dodge it
Oh,
badly.
Oh,
oh,
phew.
oh.
Wait, this is hard.
I'm just sticking to one.
But I did it. How did I do it? I
I'm
did it
just
first
sticking to
try.
one side.
No.
Did I drop first?
Yeah, answered it.
Hey, I did first try, Rishi.
Same.
Even I did first. Hey, so you did second
What
try.
happened?
sorry.
What happened?
Take metal planks to do. Okay,
Oh, we have to go there.
I understood, boy.
Ah, finally.
You know, chat. I'll tell you a trick how to do it with only one plank.
Yeah, no, I know this shit.
Oh shit! You fell.
So what's the trick, chat?
Why you asking Chad? Ask him.
Yeah.
Oh.
Chat can't hear you right now. Like you can't speak to
Oh, we're
chat.
supposed to take the same thing?
Yeah. Chimple.
Oh, but mine.
Yeah, it happens to me sometimes. But I'm done.
See, wait for me now. I
Bro,
swear.
chat is my hand weird.
See, can you wait for us?
Yeah, okay. Som is doing the mech already. Som is not waiting for us.
My bad, bro. You didn't wait for me. I'm not gonna wait for you.
Shut up.
But this is the final thing, bro.
Yeah, I have to do this together.
I'll do it then.
Hey, is it I'm God for you?
No.
Why is not
I got
I just one of his hand. Oh shit.
common for the
I killed him.
I killed him long ago.
Same.
Get in the van.
Wait.
Hey,
Let me
wait.
take money.
See, now you have to wait, bro.
Hey, do we have the
I'm
same
waiting.
van?
I stopped being a Karen.
Hey, do we both have the same van?
I don't think so.
This is
Yeah,
the first time.
yeah.
You know, once I was playing this and I got sent out of the map.
Oh wait, it's a
Bro,
different.
this is a terrible view.
Yeah.
I know, right?
I can't see anything. Oh shit, bro, the
Bro,
gate.
bro, I'm cooked. What if we die? Like, what?
Bro.
Oh, we can zoom out. That's better. The
Bro,
van.
I'm glitching.
What happens if we die?
Damn, there's a gas station.
Actually, can you wait? Like not even talking. Why is it so hard to aim, bro? I'm dead.
Nothing beats a jet ski holiday.
I'm dead.
Anika, you still can't do that?
Yanika, you can't beat him?
Bro, it's so difficult. First, I was hitting him in his face because.
It's so easy. Me and Somni did first try.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Where do I go?
Go to gas station.
Oh.
It's very cool there.
Bro, it's not aiming.
My aim ain't aiming.
Same. Nothing right here.
Oh, I
Bro.
understood. So go into gas station now.
Yeah, that's where I came.
You're supposed to stack up the boxes.
Nah, bro.
I did it speed.
Oh, I still can't finish this part.
Anika's not able to do
Oh,
very.
finally I'm done.
So go to the van and come. Get over here, man.
Hey, chat, can you guys wait for me now?
I think I'm done with the entire hobby. Shall I go to the helicopter?
Hey, you should wait for me or else I'm not playing, bro.
Okay.
Why am I spinning?
Anika threatening Rishit.
Yeah, bro.
Go
Why am I
forward.
spinning? Why always with me, chat?
Get over.
Bro, I can't.
Jump on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, now
Still
drop.
spinning, see?
Dropping it off.
See, it's still spinning.
Bro, how do I do this?
What?
Wait, give.
Now wait. What did you do?
I don't know. I don't do anything.
Wait, restart. Yeah, do that. Regen. Yeah, now do.
Oh.
Now go forward.
Bro, I'm
Yeah.
trash.
Do it. Hey, you should wait for me now.
What do you think we're doing, boy?
I'm spinning
See?
again. Great.
Wait, I did it.
Hey, I'm spinning again. Hey, I'll walk and go only.
Yeah, you can do that.
Where is it?
That.
That brown building?
Yeah.
Okay, not too far.
She's walking here, Chad. She's walking here. Can you see her that? I don't think so.
See, which brown building?
Just go there.
This?
Yeah, that.
Oh.
I guys see you.
I don't see you still.
I guys see you here. She's a dot. Bro, how bad is your render distance?
Well, that is she. She's jumping. Attack.
Bazooka.
I'm going in the helicopter, guys.
Okay, where do we go? Where do we go from
Go
here?
in the gas station.
There's a box in the stand you have to go. Oh shit.
Where?
So, why are you so hum?
I eventually got into the helicopter. How do I get out?
Oh, that's it. Game over.
Sorry, guys.
So went without us, chat. He went
Sorry,
without
Dad,
us.
I'm so sorry.
He escaped the prison without us.
Oh. Damn,
So
guys,
how dare you betray us, man?
I'm sorry, guys. Guys, I have a cough now. 7.
What?
Bathroom.
What? Som got the cheat code.
Phones.
Nah, bro, how should we stack this?
Stupid Cooper.
Desert.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm in the desert. I'm gonna catch you guys.
Nah, bro, please don't kill me.
I'm in the jeep.
Ruko. Okay.
If you kill me, no.
Hey, where are you?
Nah, I'm not telling.
I'm gonna jump on you. Whee! Hello, Anika.
Oh, she's there.
We running. Run for your life, man. You
Get
can't
up.
catch me. Yes.
No.
I got in the helicopter with before you.
Bro, I can see down.
I can also scoot down there. Bye, Anika.
Bye, this is.
I'm coming for you both.
Yeah, now we can go people.
Come, let us troll people now.
You're
Ah,
near
are
the
you?
car.
Let's see your
Where
first.
Where are you both?
I'm here.
Oh, damn. Hey, look above chat. Look.
Huh? Hey, where are you? Where are
I
you?
should have not taken super.
Anika,
speed.
look how I look like.
Where are you? Da?
Whoa.
Go to the dungeon.
Suma.
Teleport to the dungeons.
How to
Hey, Sam, is this you?
how to teleport, boy?
This. Nah, why did I take this? Yeah, I'm going to this rocket.
Same.
I captured someone.
How to teleport, boy?
Bro,
Oh.
let's go to the
Cells.
phone.
I'm going to the rocket. Bye.
Anyone here?
I went to the rocket.
What?
So I went to the rocket.
I'm searching
Yeah, I
for
captured two
players.
people.
Okay, guys, I'm in alien base. now.
Why are you chat?
I'm capturing people.
Guys, you wanna
Yeah,
come in
yeah.
alien base? I'm in alien base.
Oh,
now.
there you are, Sigma. Let's go. I captured one.
Guys, you come into
Hi.
alien
Hello.
base.
I captured two.
Nah.
I went to alien base.
we both are catching people together.
Hey, this is
I
actually
got this guy.
goated.
We both are searching for people.
Yeah.
This is goated, bro. Not even lying. This is goated.
How did I die? See, I saw you.
Hello.
This is so
Hello.
very. This is very
Catch,
good. This
catch.
is futuristic version of.
Hey, let's go to the
Bathroom?
cells. Oh, why are we here?
Go to the bathroom. Wait, there are many people at the bathroom, bro.
Can you please come here?
Where?
Oh shit. There.
Oh, dang it.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Guys, I'm gonna complete this before you guys catch 10 people.
Hey, you. Let's go. We captured both of them.
Yeah.
Guys, I'll finish this whole obby before
Anyone
you
else in the
capture 10
bathroom?
people.
Yeah, I think they'll be there. Are they? There they are. What they're doing, bro? You can't escape from me, Bacon.
Oh, this damn
Yeah.
goated.
Anybody? Yard? Nobody speed.
What? What?
Bro, this guy.
So let's go to
I keep capturing
Guys,
guys.
can you please come to alien base?
How do you go to the alien base?
We have to go to the rocket.
What rocket?
Before teleporting, you have to go to the rocket.
Look at me, I'm a king. Anyway, let's go. Where are you?
I'm in the dungeon. Come in the dungeon.
Oh, dungeon. See, I have fat head wouldn't do that.
Can you guys come here like bro?
No, we both are catching players.
Nah, lame. Let them live their life peacefully.
Nah, we didn't troll them. Okay, so let's go to the alien world.
How?
You have to join me.
Come to the rocket.
Yeah. But I'm way ahead of you guys. I'll wait.
So come to the rocket.
Yeah, I found the rocket.
Guys, you know what? This is it for the video. We'll show the alien base the next video.
Yeah, okay, bye chat. Bye, sayonara. Bye chat, bye